Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily set up an AI record in cPanel. So it's nothing really difficult. We're using Namecheap, so the first thing that you want to do is to access cPanel. So when I'm going to come here to dashboard, and you're going to find all the domains here, you're going to find this thing here like the server icon, and you want to hover over it and go to cPanel. Now when you're going to be in a cPanel, you want to go to domains, and here you're gonna find like zone editor. When you're gonna be in zone editor, here you're gonna have like an A record, and press like this, and you're gonna add a name and address. So when I'm going to come right here, I'm going to add is here.com, and I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, add an A record. And that's how it's done. So if you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And you can see right here the A record 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. And I can just delete it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.